guys, there's money to be made out here, so much money. Stop limiting your options, stop wasting all those opportunities, guys. Go out there and make that money, okay? Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how anyone can make money on social media using your phone, guys. Okay, selling products that you do not even own, products that you don't have to fulfill yourself, orders that you don't have to ship yourself, no customer service. Simply promote and make money. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how you can start making money on your Instagram account right now, you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, guys, is you're going to have to decide on a product or service to sell. So you already have a social media account, you already have Instagram right now, and you're probably spending time watching random cat videos or reading gossip news from the shade room, or just, you know, randomly checking out what your friend had for dinner last night. Now that's awesome, that's what social media is all about. But if you're someone out there who wants to really tap into this platform and make some extra money from a platform that you already use right now for free, then you really want to think about what to sell. And the great thing about Instagram is the fact that anyone can go out there and start a business on Instagram for free and start seeing results. So find a product or service to sell. Now I'm going to be talking specifically about selling products on Instagram in this video, but you can also sell services, of course. So how do you get started selling products on Instagram? I want you guys to go over to www.woocommerce.com. okay, Woocommerce.com is an e-commerce platform that offers a variety of different products, from hair to shoes, swimwear, clothing, loungewear, kids clothing, handbags, accessories. Like, there's different types of products that you can find at Woocommerce.com. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to register as an affiliate. Okay, so what is an affiliate? An affiliate is someone that promotes products and earns a commission every time somebody purchases via your link. Okay, so when you go on Woocommerce.com, you want to register as an affiliate, and then what's going to happen is you're going to get your own unique website or referral link. Okay, once you get that link, guys, I want you guys to go back to Instagram. Now I'll recommend that you have a business account on Instagram if you want to be taken seriously. If you already have a personal account, you can either convert it to a business account, or you can create a separate business account, which is what I recommend, because you don't want to mix personal and business together. Unless your existing audience in your personal profile are your potential customers, then you can easily switch your account from a personal to a business profile. Okay, you also want to make sure that your Instagram account is set as public, so people can actually find you, follow your page, and see what you do. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to optimize your Instagram bio, so you let people know what you want to sell. So if you decided that you want to be selling handbags, for example, let them know that, you know, you sell handbags, you provide luxurious handbags, for example, for busy women or busy moms or whatever the case may be. And then in the link in your bio on Instagram, make sure you have your affiliate link in your bio, and you're going to get this affiliate link when you register with Woocommerce.com. Now there's a one-time fee of $29 that you have to pay in order to become a Woocommerce affiliate. And the reason why you have to pay to become an affiliate with Woocommerce is because you don't only get a link and then you have to go figure things out yourself. You actually get access to the trainings, guys, that teach you step by step how to go out there and start promoting your products. Okay, so a lot of affiliate programs are free to join because you have to literally join and figure things out yourself. But in this case, you're getting access to not just the training videos, but also access to the communities on Facebook and WhatsApp, where you can actually connect with other boutique owners, learn more strategies to go out there and sell and make money. Okay, so register with Woocommerce.com, get your link, go on Instagram and put that link in your bio, guys. Then the next thing you want to do now, guys, is you want to start copying and pasting the products on your Instagram account. So if you go to the Woocommerce website, literally when you get your affiliate link, you have access to promote every product that actually is being sold at Woocommerce.com right now. So you don't have to go out there and start thinking about, I need to go on Shopify and actually create a website myself and deal with all the techie stuff that nobody wants to deal with, right? You're getting a website preloaded with so many different products that you can start promoting right now. So if somebody went to your link and, you know, maybe you were promoting a handbag, for example, and they went to your link, went to the website, saw the handbag, but decided, you know what, I want to buy, you know, loungewear instead, or I want to buy hair instead, guess what? You still get to earn a commission. Okay, which is the last part. Go to Woocommerce, download the images on the website, share them on your Instagram account, and then get people to click on the link in your bio to purchase. When they click on the link in your bio, it's going to take them through to your affiliate link. When they purchase via your link, you earn 25% profits. Woocommerce then ship out the products directly to the customer and you keep 25% profits. You don't have to deal with no inventory, no handling of inventory, no packaging, none of that stuff, not even customer service, because what you're literally doing is sending them back to Woocommerce, and Woocommerce is handling everything else for you. Now, one thing I'll recommend you do, guys, is that you invest on some samples. Okay, get some samples. Don't just rely on the images on the website. Take your own pictures, wear the products. Okay, put them out there on your socials, because there's no better person to market your products than you. Be the product of the product. When people see that you're actually using those products that you're promoting, they are going to treat you as a legit brand. Okay, because if you think about how many other affiliates are going on Woocommerce and promoting the products and using, you know, stock images on their Instagram account, no one's going to take you seriously if you're just one of the millions of fishes in the sea, right? You want to stand out with your content. You want to create content that, you know, speaks to people. You want to do reels, right? Wearing your products, for example. I do a lot of reels right now with my boutique business. I wear my loungewear, I get on the reel, I do some entertaining content. People start asking me, where did you get that two-piece from? And I'm like, hey, shop from my website. So you want to really get some samples and start promoting the products. Think of it as a shopping spree. Like, why not, right? And then when you create content, put it on your Instagram, get people to click on the link in your bio to purchase. And the beauty about the strategy is, let's say, for example, they went on your website to purchase loungewear that you were wearing, right? They're probably going to be sold onto buying a handbag. They may come across other products where they're like, oh, I actually like this too. So the more products they add to cart, the more money you make. So if they were to make a purchase of $100, that's 25 bucks in your pocket for doing absolutely nothing but sharing stuff on Instagram. You're literally just sharing stuff on Instagram. People are going to your account, clicking on the link in your bio and making you money. People are doing this on TikTok as well, like making funny TikToks, sharing product videos on TikTok, and making a lot of sales, guys, by just being affiliates. You don't have to handle any inventory. You don't have to buy nothing in bulk, no packaging, no shipping. Register with Woocommerce.com. It's a one-time lifetime fee, 29 bucks, guys, to activate your website, activate your membership access, all the trainings to help you market and sell. And even in the future, if you wanted to go on to actually selling your own products, this is a great way to just learn from the courses themselves. It's really going to build you up and help you build your brand prior to you going out there and spending all that money on inventory without the assurance that it's going to sell. Okay, so if you're someone out there who's thinking about making extra money on Instagram, maybe you want to start a boutique on Instagram, you want to sell products on Instagram, and you're not sure how to get started, head over to Woocommerce.com, guys, register as an affiliate, get your website link, head over to Instagram, create a business account, start promoting those products, order some samples. Guys, there's money to be made out here, so much money. Like, you know, I'm so passionate about helping you guys make money because there's so many strategies out there. I wish I could use all of them myself, but I'm only one human being. I'm hoping that you're going to learn a thing or two from this video. Go out there, put in the work, and if you put in the work, guys, you're gonna get results. Okay, stop limiting your options, stop wasting all those opportunities, guys. Go out there and make that money. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful with regards to making money on Instagram selling products you don't even own. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.